Hello guys, let's talk about generics in C#. So let's start with generic classes. Generic class is a class which can take a type as an input, and this type becomes this class's definition, part of this definition. So here I have public class named console display, and then T, which is a placeholder for the type, which will be an input while passed while instantiating the console display object. And then we have generic method called display, which returns void, is public, and takes as an argument an item of type T, and then uses console writeLine to write this object into the console window. So in the main method, I have instantiated a console display object, or rather variable, with a new object console display, and then as a T I am passing in string type. So in this scenario, the definition of this class will look as follows. I am passing in the string which takes the place of the placeholder T. So then it will look like this: public class console display string. So I have a generic class and a string is passed into the placeholder, and the generic method will look like public void display string, because the string takes the place of the T, item. So this method will take as an argument a string item and use the console writeLine to write this string into the console window. After that, I can invoke the display method on the console display object and pass in string hello world, and it will be displayed in the console window. Let's see how it works. I can see that the hello world is displayed in the console window, so everything works as expected. I hope that this quick introduction to generics in C#, namely generic classes and generic methods, was helpful to you and helped you understand what generics are and how they can be used in C#. I hope to see you soon.